Hey guys, Tony here. So everybody asks me where I get information to support my plan of care. This is the Guide to Physical Therapy Practice, second edition. Now this is pretty out of date, but it is still a great resource. This was published, revised version 2003, 20 years ago, 20 plus years ago. But here. So if we look at musculoskeletal, since I primarily do outpatient ortho and you guys know I specialize in joint arthroplasty, if we jump over to page 251, look at that, that was sweet. A couple things that we want to pay attention to. So here under the exam, right, we've got information about the exam. If we go to the next page though, we've got all of this information which I can share with you from a PDF document. This is the main area that I want to get a picture of. Actually, I want to get a picture of this whole page, but there are specific sections. So here, I'm going to snap a picture of that. I'm going to snap a picture of prognosis. And if we can, frequency visits, let's just go with those two things. Now, let me show you what we're going to do. We're going to go into videos or photos. I'm going to edit this. I'm going to use the crop tool. I'm going to bring it down. I think we'll take it right to the edge. There we go. So that one's done. Let's crop this one real quick. You guys are going to love this once you figure out what I'm doing. Done. Okay. Now we're going to go into ChatGPT. This is 4.0. We're going to click the photo icon. We're going to click the prognosis. And we're going to say, please rewrite this text. We're going to let it do its thing. We're going to do the same for this one. And let me see. Perfect. I don't even need to prompt it for the second element. I just hit the button and it automatically recognized that that's what we needed. It's amazing how well this can read. So let me go back here a second. There's information in here. You know, inclusion, risk factors, impaired, talks about joint arthroplasty. Basically, this is, I know you guys can't see this real well, gives us a whole bunch of like ICD-9 codes, but now we're using ICD-10 codes. Gives us things we should be looking at in the exam, tests and measures, patient history, gait. You know, this, like this, for example, I'm going to take a photo of that. I'm going to process that photo in ChatGPT. What I'm doing effectively here is I'm training this chat on this information. Now, I'm going to bring you guys over onto the desktop, and then we'll talk about how we can use this information for improving the quality of our documentation.